So okay, let me leave the trash bin back first. So I have Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute. So today I'm gonna show you how to clean this. Let's start. To clean this, first of all we have to open this. Make sure you hold it like this instead of like this, because it's because it's very difficult to bring your all four fingers here. So yeah, it's really awkward, but anyways, no more complaints, I promise. Before that, you have to take this off. So this is the adjustment, not the adjustment, I mean this is the long hose which helps to clean the floor. If you want to clean the walls, I think you don't need this thing. Now we have this, it's filled with dirt, some Christmas decoration. Now before you open it, make sure you have a trash like this, and then you put the face in this, else everything will go out. And then once you do that, hold the trash bag closely. So when you press this button, it releases the lock and you can just pull it down. Now if you see, this thing is open. Okay, you can close it. So the dirt is here in the bag. Now I can show you, it's still going to be a little dusty. So if you notice, there are still some dirt and hair stuck here. How to remove this? To remove this, there is this button. If you see, you just simply press it and then it will come out. So now we have to separate. So now it's easier to clean this as well. Now all the dirt is out, but still it's very dusty. There's no other way to clean this than wiping it. So I'm going to bring wipe and then wipe it out. So I'm just wiping it. I would suggest not to use unless it's dry, because I don't think so it's waterproof. So let the wipe liquid dry off. Okay, mistake again. So yeah, they have to do something about this design. Although there's no harm. And the box. Yes, the Dyson vacuum cleaners are bagless. They are trying to save the environment, and they're not making paper bags for the vacuum cleaner which are disposable. But in the end we have to get a different bag. So I don't think so it's going to make much of a difference to the environment. Definitely to their aesthetics, yes, or there's a thing they say, keep your own house clean and then don't care about what others are doing. So yeah, I think that's the idea behind it. So for them, they're not producing much of environmental waste. Why not giving paper bags? But in the end, to clean the product, we have to use a bag, plastic, paper, whatever. But we need a bag to take things out. Obviously, the blame, they will come out and then say you can just simply dump it in the bin. But obviously, that's not going to be practical. We'll start. The sounding will get dusty. Yep, I think it's clean enough. I hope my wife will be happy after this. It's difficult to impress that species called wife. Now there is another filter at the end of it. You just twist it, open it, and it's very clean. I don't have to worry about it. But if you ever want to clean this, you can simply, this is washable. Put it under the tap, wash it clean, dry it off, like maybe dry it overnight, and then you put it back. So this filter is basically, because what happens is there is air sucked and then it goes out, and this is where the air goes out. Most of the dirt, in fact all of the dirt is inside the bin, but there are chances some dirt particle might not be caught inside the bin. So for that there is a last protection. This will catch all the dirt. So if it's not clean, it will start giving you an error. So yeah, once you see that error, you can just simply clean. This is very easy to clean actually, if I'm being honest. That's one point I would like to give to Dyson. Easy to clean. So now I have to put it back. Same thing, simple. It just goes like this, and then once it goes there, you just put it first. La, easy. It's working. Now the other component we have to clean is this mount. Again, take it off. Not necessary, but you can take it off. This is all just hair stuck from the species I talked about, because I don't have much hair. It's all of the hair belongs to her. So for this I would simply pull it off. She has really strong hair. I think it's clean enough. Yep. Should not bother the machine or my wife. There are a lot of attachments with this machine, but I tend to use this more. Even though there is a really nice attachment with this, which is good on hard surfaces. Well, my house does not have many hard surfaces, so that's why I tend to use this. Mostly it's carpeted.